Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram Reels. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and after this, if you wanna make a reel on your Instagram, so you just click on the plus icon at the top, click on it, and after this, in here at the bottom you can click on the reel. This one, click on it, and in here you can add the video or the photo that you want to add, or you can record your video. But in here I wanna add from the gallery, so you can open your gallery. You just click on this one, click on it, and then in here you can use or you can add the photo or the video that you want to add. I wanna add this one, click in this one, and then in here you can click add on the top again, and then click on this one again, and then click another video, another photo, this one, and this one, and then click next at the bottom. And in here you can waiting, and in here you can add the sound that you like, maybe on this one, or this one, but in here I wanna try to add this one, so you just click on it, and in here now you can click on the next at the bottom. Okay, please waiting. And now you can click next at the bottom. Okay, please waiting. And now you can save to draft, or you can post your video. If you wanna post the video or you wanna post this reel, so you just click on the share this one. So that's how to make a reel. So that's how to make an Instagram Reels. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.